Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Breville DuoTemp Pro Espresso machine. This is a fantastic espresso machine with a steam wand, and in this video review I'll be going over the features and functions of this awesome machine with you. Let's get right into the video. First and foremost, let's take a look at the form factor of the machine. It's absolutely incredible. This machine is small enough that it doesn't take up a lot of real estate on your countertop, because we know how valuable countertop space can be, but it's also large enough that it's going to give you a wide variety of functions and features, and it's absolutely fantastic at doing two specific things: making espresso and steaming milk. But in addition, it also dispenses hot water as well. That's a bonus feature in my opinion, because I would get this thing if it only made espresso and it steamed milk. The hot water is even better. It's really easy to use. So check this out. You turn it on. There's a power button here. You turn it on. Very simple. It warms up. Very quick to warm up. Very simple and easy to use. Okay. This select button right here allows you to switch between steam and hot water. And obviously the steam and the hot water will come out of the steam wand right there. Obviously not at the same time. You can either have steam come out or hot water come out, okay? And basically when this knob is in the middle right here, you're on standby mode, okay? So this means nothing's happening. If I turn it to the right, it actually deals with the steam wand, which is on the right. It makes sense, right? So either you're gonna get steam or hot water, which I'll demonstrate in just a moment. And if I turn it to the left over here, instead, it's going to give me espresso. So I'm gonna use the espresso portion of it. That's really cool because they pretty much give you everything that you need. So obviously you have, as you can see right here, they give you a portafilter right over here. I thought there was a basket in there, but it's to the side. So you get a portafilter right over there. In addition, you get a basket, but you don't only get just one basket, okay? You actually get 4 filter baskets. So you can see right here, they give you a wide variety of options. Basically, these are for when you are grinding fresh whole coffee beans. You can use these either for a single cup or a dual cup espresso. And these are for when you're using pre-ground coffee beans, okay? Single cup or 2 cups. Very easy to use, okay? In addition, they give you this milk jug that you can use for the steam wand. They also give you a tamp that you can use whenever you are squishing down your espresso grinds. And also, this is really, really cool. This is actually called the razor. And what it is a precision dose trimming tool. So you put in your espresso into the filter basket, you tamp it down, okay? And then if you want to get the exact amount that you need, all that you need to do is use this tool right here. You tilt the portafilter on its side, use the trimming tool. It's going to trim off any excess, okay? And then you get rid of the excess and you're done. Really extremely cool feature. I'm not a professional barista or anything like that, so that's a really cool feature for someone like myself. Okay, really easy to use. I'm just going to take this out. I don't want to put it in right now. Very easy to use. You simply insert it and then you lock it in place. You can see there are 2 spouts here on the portafilter for obviously 2 cups of coffee if that's what you desire. Extremely easy to use, okay? Now, one of the coolest features about this machine, in my opinion, is that it allows you to work really quickly. So right now it's in standby mode, as you can see, because it's flashing right here. And I'll show you if you want to turn it on. Okay, I'm just going to go and turn it off. We'll turn it back on. Listen how quickly it's getting warmed up. Look at that. It's done. Ready to go, okay? You can obviously choose between whichever one you want, steam or hot water. Very easy. Now, let's say I'm steaming milk for a cappuccino or a latte or anything like that. Any type of coffee drink that you might use with the steam wand, okay? So let's say I'm steaming milk. You're gonna hear a couple extra noises in the background right now. Basically, if I'm steaming milk, okay, when I'm done steaming, so I steam it and I bring it back to the center, and I'll demonstrate in a moment. It's going to get noisy. That's why I want to explain it first. When I bring it back to the center, it actually is going to purge the rest of the steam through here, which is really, really cool, because that means that if I want to go to make an espresso right after, it's going to give me the correct temperature, okay? I won't be mixing the extremely hot steam temperature of the water with the espresso. It won't be too hot. So check this out, okay? I'm going to turn the steam on just for a quick moment, okay? So give it a few seconds. It's going to actually just get warmed up. You're going to see probably squirt out some milk or some water, and then the steam wand will turn on. And then I'll turn it off, and you're going to see it purge right over here. Extremely cool feature. So right now, it's just getting ready. Here we go. It's almost ready to go. Okay, now the steam wand is turned on, as you can see right here. You know, this steaming. We're going to turn it off, and look at this. So it purges all of the excess steam in here and water in here. Really, really cool. So now if I needed to make an espresso right after, or shortly after, I could go ahead and make an espresso and it would be the correct temperature. I'm gonna just wipe this off the counter here. Yeah, so it's really easy to use, really convenient. I mean, you look at the machine, it looks fantastic. You see how it works really, really well. It's just an overall amazing machine. I would make an espresso right now, but I've already had probably one too many for today, so that's why I'm not gonna waste it right now and make one just to toss down the sink. But that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video review. It's an awesome machine, and I just wanted to go over its features and functions with you in this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.